The Audio-Technica M30X is Audio-Technica's budget monitoring headphone, priced competitively at $70 US. At more than half the price of the legendary M50 and M50X, does it still provide that great audio performance that Audio-Technica is known for? Well, let's find out. Starting off with the build quality. One look and you can already tell that its design is similar with the rest of the M series headphones. The M30X is mostly made out of plastic. It feels less premium compared to the M50, but it still feels like high quality plastic. This does contribute to the weight, as it makes the headphone considerably lighter as compared to the M50, which makes it feel better for prolonged use. The clamping force isn't too strong and I can comfortably wear this for hours. The ear cups and the headband are made out of a synthetic leather material. The leather earbuds are soft and comfortable. They are thick enough to prevent my ears from touching the drivers. The same goes for the headband. Take note that at the end of the day, these are still made out of synthetic leather, which will break over time. My M30X is still in good condition after months of use, but take extra good care of it because even the leather on my M50 got destroyed throughout the years. The headband adjustment is made out of metal, which contributes to the overall durability of these adjustments. Take note, however, that the wires are exposed here and there is no proper labeling of the steps of each adjustment. They are also stiff and harder to adjust in comparison to the M50. This doesn't really bother me as I was able to get the proper fit immediately, but users with a bigger head may encounter problems. The cable is 3 meters in length. It is less premium compared to the M50. You'll notice this at the tip where there is considerably less strain relief. One key feature missing here is that the wire is non-removable unlike the M40X and M50X. This may affect portability, but in my opinion, I can carry and use it outside just like my M50. Additional accessories include a carrying case and a 3.5mm to 6.35mm gold-plated adapter. The headphone is also foldable into a compact form for portability, but does not swivel like the M50. Again, this is a matter of personal preference, but I still find it comfortable to wear around my neck. Overall build and comfort is excellent, as expected from an Audio-Technica product. Now, moving on to the most important feature, the sound. The 40mm drivers offer a frequency response of 15 to 22,000 Hz, an impedance of 47 ohms, and a sensitivity rating of 96 decibels. Most consumer devices such as mobile phones and laptops can easily power this without the need of an external headphone amplifier. The first thing I heard about these headphones is that the energetic bass, which were incredibly punchy. The lows are excellent on these headphones without overpowering the mids and highs. Both the mids and highs are fairly detailed, but in my opinion, the overall sound lacks a bit of clarity and sparkle. This becomes fairly evident when compared to the M50, where the overall sound signature sounds more neutral with a slight boost in the lower frequencies. However, the overall sound is fun and suits whatever genre or file format you are listening to. These headphones are closed back, meaning they acoustically isolate sound from your surroundings. It blocks out a decent amount of noise, which gives off a better sense of immersion. However, the soundstage suffers from this design and makes whatever you listen to close to you. More on this later. I have tried editing, playing live, gaming, and everything I do with the M50 on this pair, and I do have to say that they certainly hold up to the M50, especially considering the huge gap in price. I do want to point one thing out to gamers who are interested in these headphones. For the games that I play, they are good enough in giving out the details of the game, but for competitive FPS players, I'd recommend open back headphones because these simulate the size of your surroundings better. Now, it is time for the conclusion. There's plenty of things to like about these headphones. The build quality is really good as expected from Audio Technica. The included accessories also add to the overall value of the product. And the sound signature is really great whether you're listening to music, gaming, editing, etc. Plus, the headphones are light and comfortable, making them really ideal for prolonged use. My only complaints are that the headband adjustments do not feel as premium as its older brothers and that the leather is susceptible to wear and tear over time. Overall, I really love these headphones and I recommend it to anyone who wants to get into music production, video editing, or anyone who wants to get into pro audio. If you're a gamer who's in the market for your first gaming headset, then I recommend that you seriously take a look at this one, because I promise you that this will sound better than any gaming headset within its price range, and even gaming headsets that are way more expensive than this one. So that has been my review of the Audio Technica M30X. Leave a like if you enjoyed that video, comment on what you want to see next, and subscribe for more tech related videos. My name is Stephen and I will see you on the next one.